Dinosaur, 65 million years ago. It was just another normal day on Earth. Dinosaurs were walking, hunting, living, like they had for over 160 million years. And then, something appeared in the sky. At first, it looked like a bright star, but it wasn't a star. It was a 10-kilometer wide asteroid, traveling faster than a bullet. Within minutes, the sky turned orange. The ground started shaking. Animals began to panic. They had no idea. This was the last sunrise they would ever see. When the asteroid hit Earth, it released more energy than 10 billion atomic bombs. The impact created firestorms, tsunamis taller than skyscrapers, and a cloud of dust so thick it blocked the sun for years. Plants died, food chains collapsed, and nearly 75% of life on Earth vanished. But here's the real question. Did every dinosaur really die that day? Or did something survive? But what really happened that day? For decades, scientists believed dinosaurs ruled the Earth without challenge. They survived volcanic eruptions. They survived climate shifts. They survived millions of years of evolution. So how could one single day end it all? To understand their extinction, we need to go back 65 million years. There were no humans, no cities, no cars. Instead, massive forests covered the planet. Tyrannosaurus rex dominated North America. Triceratops roamed in herds. In the skies, giant pterosaurs ruled the air. The climate was warm. Sea levels were higher. Life was thriving. Dinosaurs had already survived for 160 million years. They weren't weak. They weren't dying. In fact, they were at their peak. And then, something changed. A massive asteroid broke away from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It traveled through space for millions of years. Then one day, it entered Earth's atmosphere. The object was about 10 kilometers wide. To compare, that's larger than Mount Everest. It was traveling at around 20 kilometers per second. When it hit Earth, it struck near what is today Mexico. The impact site is now called the Chicxulub crater. The explosion released energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. The ground vaporized instantly. Shockwaves circled the planet. Everything within hundreds of miles was destroyed immediately. But the worst was yet to come. The impact blasted trillions of tons of rock into the sky. Those rocks re-entered Earth's atmosphere like fiery bullets. The entire planet experienced global firestorms. Forests burned across continents. Then came the dust. A thick cloud of ash and debris covered the atmosphere. Sunlight couldn't reach the Earth. Temperatures dropped dramatically. Plants began to die. Without plants, herbivores starved. Without herbivores, carnivores followed. Food chains collapsed worldwide. Within months, ecosystems were failing. Within years, most dinosaurs were gone. Scientists estimate 75% of all species on Earth disappeared. Some scientists believe the asteroid wasn't the only cause. At the same time, massive volcanic eruptions were happening in India. These eruptions, known as the Deccan Traps, released enormous amounts of gas and lava. This may have already been stressing the planet's climate. So when the asteroid hit, it may have been the final blow. A perfect storm of destruction. This may have already been stressing the planet's climate. So when the asteroid hit, it may have been the final blow. A perfect storm of destruction. For a long time, scientists debated what killed the dinosaurs. Then in 1980, a layer of iridium was discovered in rock layers around the world. Iridium is rare on Earth, but common in asteroids. That thin layer marks the exact moment of impact. Later, scientists discovered the Chicxulub crater buried beneath Mexico. It matched the age of the extinction perfectly. The evidence became overwhelming. The asteroid theory became the leading explanation. Here's the twist. Not all dinosaurs disappeared. One group survived, small, feathered dinosaurs. Today, we call them birds. Yes, every bird you see, pigeons, eagles, chickens, they are living dinosaurs. They evolved from small theropod dinosaurs that managed to survive the catastrophe. So in a way, dinosaurs are still among us. The extinction of the dinosaurs changed everything. If that asteroid had missed Earth, mammals might never have dominated the planet. Humans might never have existed. One moment in time changed the entire course of life, and it raises a terrifying question. Could it happen again? Scientists now track near-Earth asteroids carefully, because somewhere in space, another rock could already be on its way. The dinosaurs never saw it coming. We might.